Welcome to our channel ERP Experts. Today we are going to talk about sustainability through technology, how businesses are going green with smart solutions. In a world striving for sustainability, businesses are stepping up to the challenge, harnessing the power of technology to go green. From energy-efficient systems to AI-driven solutions, the future is not just bright, it's sustainable. Sustainability starts with smart infrastructure. Businesses are adopting energy-efficient technologies like solar panels, LED lighting, and smart thermostats to reduce carbon footprints and cut costs. In manufacturing, automation and AI are driving change. AI-powered systems optimize production lines, reduce waste, and improve resource management. AI-driven efficiency, 30% less waste. Logistics and transportation are also transforming. Electric vehicles and route optimization software are making deliveries more eco-friendly, cutting emissions while ensuring timely service. Eco-friendly logistics, the green route forward. Technology is also bridging gaps. Virtual collaboration tools reduce the need for travel, cutting down on emissions and fostering a global workforce. Global collaboration, zero travel emissions. Businesses are embracing green initiatives like rooftop gardens, rainwater harvesting, and recycling programs to create a more sustainable workplace. Every small step counts. Sustainability through technology isn't just a trend, it's a movement. By adopting smart solutions, businesses are not only saving the planet, but also building a brighter, more prosperous future. Join the green revolution. Make a difference today. Subscribe to our channel for more insights on how technology is shaping a sustainable future. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your thoughts on going green with tech.